two stories making headlines tonight. KITV4's Brenton Awa standing by with a report on a pro surfer who is fighting for his life. And Moani Kiala Nabarro has a look at the powerful winds already hitting the island.
Let's go to Moani Kiala first with the latest on the winds. Moani?
Well, Kenny, Yunji, here's what I can tell you. Things are just getting started this evening. This could be a long stretch of potentially damaging winds now through Aloha Friday. Here's a look at speeds across the state right now. And according to Maui Electric tonight, winds are responsible for an earlier power outage on Molokai earlier this evening. Thankfully, all power has been restored. The wind gust across the state as well. Very impressive for most of us. The island of Hawaii just hasn't gotten their share just yet. A wind advisory does continue for the state through Wednesday morning. We're talking about target areas most prone to stronger winds, basically on the North Shore and on windward sides of the islands. That's where downed trees, downed power lines, even some roof damage are all possible. Let's take a look at the disturbance that's stirring up all of this wild wind activity. It's off to the northwest of the state, dragging in these stronger winds, also bringing in a lot of clouds over the islands that'll likely stick around the next few days. Showers also already moving in. It's a bit hard for us to see that activity over Kauai just because of the elevation, and the Doppler radar coverage doesn't allow us to see all that much, but they've been getting their share of showers. What's nice about the winds is it is helping the showers to move right on in and move right on out. So flooding potential is not a concern for us tonight. What you see, I should give you a note, what you see off to the west of Molokai in the Kaiwi Channel, basically wind chop, but just spotty showers over Maui County. We're going to see more of that shower activity work down the island chain through the day tomorrow, and we'll see what's left for you on the Big Island. Aside from the strong winds, also talking about some very dangerous surf as well. High surf advisory is posted up for all north-facing shores through about Wednesday morning. I can tell you heights at 10 to 15, but these winds really helping to rough out conditions out there tonight. Kenny, Yunji.
All right, Moani, thanks.